YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a small haul, well, medium haul, from Walmart and Michael's. But I would like to say thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel and come back and check me out again. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back again. I appreciate it. So what do I have today? Well, I went to Walmart. I was looking for some resin, and I got this one, which is the Mod Podge 2-part clear resin. And it's 4 ounces each bottle, so a total of 8 ounces, and that's the hardener and the resin and the hardener. I got this first from, because I wanted to try the Mod Podge version of it, and I think, I'm trying to remember, the cure time was faster. For some reason, it had a work time of 30 to 40 minutes, and the cure time was 24 hours. So I said, okay, I'll try that. Did pick up this little pack of 99-cent orange beads, because I don't think I had much orange, and then I got this black chain. So I was going to get the UV set that they had at Walmart, but they were out of them at that time, so that's why I ended up getting this one. So I went to Michael's, and they had this on sale, which was perfect, which was the 8-ounce set. So it's 2 8-ounce bottles of the resin and the hardener. So I ended up getting this. I had some of this at home, but I haven't used resin. Literally, my resin, when I poured it out, I said, let me see if it's any good. It had turned yellow and crystals. The yellow, and you can kind of work with it a little bit. Once the crystals in it, I was like, that's how long it had been since I had done any resin. Oh my gosh, it's probably been 8 years since I've messed with resin. Yeah, if not longer. But anyway, this was the brand I had before, so I bought this one. This was on sale at Michael's. It happened to be on sale for 30% off, so I got that. And then I also got this, was also on sale 30% off. And these are just the color dyes that you can use. Opaque dyes that you can put inside of your resin, and so you have 12 different colors. So I thought I would try these, and hopefully there's some good, yeah, because sometimes they put some on sale because it's getting old. We'll see. I used my coupon on all the other stuff that if it wasn't on sale, I at least had my 20% off coupon. I got these texture plates because I was in the mood. I was telling Lisa from in this little scrap, I said, I have been just wanting to pull out me some more clay. I've just been in the mood to mess with some clay. I don't know, I haven't done anything. My mojo has been gone, but in my mind, I've been wanting to do all this other stuff. And I was like, yeah, I just want to be trying some other stuff right now. So I said, maybe that'll get me back in the mood. But anyway, I poured out, I got this one. This is a 3-pack of texture plates. And these are don't show you on the back, but these are the 3 plates that you can use. I really like that one, and I love that one too. So all 3 of these are nice that you can put on your clay to give it some texture. And they had another set, but I only got one because I didn't want to overdo it. They were out of a lot of the Sculpey and stuff. They had some, but they had the Sculpey 3, but I wanted the Primo. But I was able to find the Fimo, and these were the 2 professional ones, the only 2 professional ones they had, which was the white and the black. So I got these 2, because I wanted to play around again. It's been some years. When I used to do jewelry back in the day, and hair bows, when my daughter was a cheerleader and stuff, I used to sell a lot of that stuff and do craft shows, but, so we'll see. It's been so long, but anyway, so I don't know, I've been in the mood to go back. Watching so many Instagrams on, I was like, oh, I want to go back and play in some clay. So we'll see. But anyway, I'm just gonna play in it. This one is the pearl, this one is the silver, and this one's the gray. But I did want to make some earrings. I had fun doing that and selling those back in the day. And then I got the flexible cutter, and then I did get the premium clay tool set. They have some more advanced sets, but I kept saying I'm not gonna spend too much. Just want to get a little bit, just a little bit, because it's hard. I know my issues. I like to go deep in about everything, and I had all this stuff before and I got rid of it. But that was before YouTube, before well, I can say before YouTube, because YouTube was out, but I wasn't watching YouTube really like I do now. Like, I wasn't watching it to learn all the tutorials and how to do stuff. It was all self-taught, but now, you know, you got all these tutorials that can really show you how to do your stuff. It's like, oh my gosh. But anyway, I just wanted to play in some. I did get this one clay cutter set, and this has the 3 circles and the 3 squares. And then I also had to pick up this. It says it's microwave safe, but I read some reviews that may be questionable. But this is the microwavable soy wax. I got this because I hauled from BB Crafts. I got a candle kit. And so I wanted to make the candles, and so I needed to get some wax to make it. I was going to order some, but I just said, you know what, I've been messing around, hadn't ordered it yet. I'm just going ahead and pick it up while I was at Michael's and just use what this is, and just go ahead and make the candles out of that. And then last but not least, they had the fabrics on sale, and they were $8 was on sale for $3.20. I think it was 60% off. It was on clearance. And so I just got these 3 sets of fabrics. And so there's 3 feet or a yard by 44 inches. So 36 by 44. And I just thought those patterns were unique. I love the designs of them. And so, yeah, I'm hoping I can get back in the mood. I bought this so I can make myself maybe get in the mood. I got to craft again. But anyway, so look up for this one should be coming out soon, the video with the candles. So we'll see how that goes. And anyway, thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing, stopping by. I hope you're having a wonderful, awesome day. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.